Hey open source fans, Opensource.com's weekly top 5 is here for you, and we have some great things on the list. First of all, Opensource.com began 2 new series this week, the OzCon Speaker Interview Series and our mid-year series. 2 articles from the OzCon Speaker Interview Series are on the top 5 list this week, but none quite made it to the top 5 from the mid-year series. So, in the article on the website for the top 5 this week, I've listed all 5 of our articles from the mid-year series so that you can have that full collection to choose from there, and I would highly recommend some things from those lists. These are some really fun roundups. Alright, let's hop into our top 5. At number 5 this week, David Both, a longtime Linux user, explains a philosophy on documentation that has been drilled into his process by his mentors over the years, and that is, the job is not done until the documentation is complete. Number 4. This is an interview with a senior engineering manager at Etsy, the leading handmade marketplace online. John Gula tells us how Etsy uses techniques similar to the open source way to improve their website, their products, and communications within their teams and with their customers. At number 3, new guides and tips for OpenStack. Jason Baker, our resident OpenStack expert, serves up his monthly roundup of new tutorials, guides, tips, and more for those who are interested in the open source cloud infrastructure OpenStack. At number 2, Eva Say manages the big data platform team at Netflix and will be speaking at OzCon this year about how open source is being used to improve services at Netflix. In this interview with Nicole Engard, she also talks more about Netflix's open source tool Genie and how it's being used. Finally, at number 1, Alexander Torvak is a student from Bosnia studying IT engineering. In this essay, he shares his journey using Linux that started after high school. This is a My Linux story, and the title is Linux as a Lifestyle. Alright, thanks everybody for joining me, and hopefully I will see you next time.